This is the latest advancement in drone warfare. After mosquitoes kept attacking me and negotiations failed, I officially declared war. For the first battle, I wanted to zap them with 4,500 volts of electricity. So I took apart this bug zapper, examined the electronics, and modified it. To gain aerial supremacy, I created a 3D model of my drone. Then I designed a printable holder for the zapper and printed it. After the parts were put together, I attached an ultra-bright light to attract the mosquitoes. I warned the mosquitoes, surrender now or more surprises are coming.